ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Nabreca, break weekly start. Sangre del Tigre, Defiant, and on the outside, Super Win, Eagle Swing, Security Magic. And going along for the first turn, we have Defiant, Super Win, moving up on the outside to take the lead. 3 lengths further back in third comes Nabreca, Sangre del Tigre comes next, Eagle Swing, Security Magic, and a long way back to Speedy Makia, who's racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have entry number 4, Super Win by about 2 lengths. Defiant in second, 4 lengths further back in third comes Sangre del Tigre. Nabreca comes next, Security Magic, Eagle Swings, and a long way back to entry number 7, and this one is Speedy Makia. And on the far turn, we have Super Win by about 3/4 of a length lead. About to throw the challenge on the outside is Defiant, 4 lengths further back in third, Sangre del Tigre. Security Magic now trying to get closer in fourth, Nabreca, Eagle Swings, and Speedy Makia. And as they swing for home, we have Defiant and Super Win party around for the lead. Defiant goes on by a length and a half. Super Win moving up on the outside, Security Magic. Last 75 meters, we have Defiant, Security Magic is on the outside, and finally Defiant, Security Magic, Super Win, Sangre del Tigre, Nabreca, Eagle Swings, and Speedy Makia.
Prueba.
1:23 Sarado over 1,300 meters. Quarters of 7, 24, another 24, and coming home at 28.
All right, we will be right back with your result and dividends.